session. So here today I want to discussing about the SAP Cloud Administration. Okay. See, previously you have discussing about the HANA DB administrated point of view. What are the courses are there? Yeah. Same way here. Whenever I want to go into further, again, you remember here. So previously I had to discussing about the when I'm working about the HANA DB on-premised. Okay. So this learning journey like HA200, all series what we have discussed, these all topics are for the on-premisation point of view. Okay. So again, I'm just recapping for 2-3 seconds. Later I can go to so means as a fresher point of view, or if you want to go into the experience point of view here. Okay, so I want to able to learning about the HANA DB is nothing but again HANA DB on-premised. Okay, the first one HA100. After HA100, so I want to becoming an administrator. So here you can go to the HANA administration point like HA200, 201, 215, 240, 250 was there. So this 250, 240 it comes completely from the security point of view. Okay, and now even I want to more. Okay, like I want to go to higher on HANA DB point of view, then here the concept of HANA DB architect concept is there, like HANA DB architect. So for this point of view, for 50 courses there, like SDA and SDI, SDQ is the options are there. So these are the about the learning journey of your HANA DB administration for on-premise. But the thing was, she currently my most of the consultants asking about the cloud. So let's say again, modeling point of view, nothing, no courses, okay, and developer point of view, no, only administrator because he is the initial person to set up this all kind of setup, no? So that is the reason. Only further means fresher, I'm learning into the HANA onto the cloud. Okay, so let's say I want to able to learning about the my HANA DB. Okay, HANA onto the cloud. So who are able to learning is nothing but again, okay, any persons, okay, who are having a knowledge about the again, I can say that fresher point of again RDBMS fundamental and anything. Again, I'm not talking about anything about the ABAP. So basis point of view here. One more thing is where I want to deploy. So let's say now most of the clouds, most of the our SAP products are BTP. So you have basic BTP knowledge or okay, BTP point of view are here who are already working for the most of the product like AWS or Microsoft Azure or they want to go into the GCP, Google. Apart from like Alibaba and IBM Cloud and some other clouds also there, but mostly you know that okay currently the market share of cloud it is going to these are the even SAP official partners are these are the three other official partners. Now they want to able to learning about the HANA DB. Okay, so again what are the courses are there who are involving this? Okay, so again especially again two persons I'm taking here. So when it is going to for the fresher kind of thing, what kind of knowledge they have. After that, it is going to further. Yeah. After that, you have the only one department that is administrator, no other department team. Okay. Maybe some of the guys are recommending modeling point of view, but mostly administrators are recommended. Even administration price application is also there. So instead of on-premise to the course, it is going to for HA100. But coming to cloud point of view, the course that is the HC100. So HC100 is basically again the 360-degree overview of HANA DB onto the cloud, either public cloud or private cloud, or I can go to hybrid cloud environment point of view. So, what are the like how you can pay the license, how to creating a trial account, and what are the like again what kind of subscriptions are they and BTP user account overview. This all comes under from HC100. After that, now I want to becoming a HANA Cloud Administrator. HANA Cloud Administration. Okay. So then you have the course. The course it is going to HC Administrator. That is going to again here SAP HANA Cloud Administration, again implementation and operations. Okay. So even some of the pupils they're giving a few courses also. That is the HA300, but I don't see anywhere. But okay, some of the learning hub they give this course, but I don't see anymore. Okay, this is also course for the SAP HANA Cloud Advanced Administration. Like they have giving it advanced in the sense they go for the different like data lake creation and how how to activating BTP accounts, and those concepts will be comes under from HA. But mostly you can go to the these are the courses. Even one more, let's say I'm using array one cloud. Okay, I want to, let's say I'm initially my deployment it is going to for the um, AWS. My customer is asking, I don't satisfy with AWS. Now I want to go for Microsoft Azure. So for this point of, we have separate course that is going to for HANA HC. If you observe, HAM is on-premise to cloud. So simple, what this course is belong to basically for the transition. Okay, so transition to SAP HANA Cloud. How I can compare like on-premise to cloud admin. If you see, observe HA courses are belong to on-premise to HC comes under for the cloud part of it. So how I can go into transition. So what is the transition journey was the okay? How this journey will be going to like even I want to converting from one cloud to other cloud. Let's say as I mentioned that AWS to the GCP or GCP to Microsoft Azure, how they will be moving. Okay. So for this point of view, again, maybe if you have apart from this basic knowledge, even as I mentioned the word, like when I'm come to HANA and the cloud, so the recommendation BTP 100. So that is the BTP introduction. What is the BTP? How to activate the BTP, and how the BTP integrations are going to happening. Okay, the introduction. Simply you can say as a BTP admin again separate that is the ADMCL was there, but I'm just talking about the introduction about the BTP point of view. Can okay. So these are the learning journey. Let's summarization means who are already working from the SAP basis or any fresher, they have basic idea about SAP basis and BTP, or who are working from the GCP AWS administrator. So they want to learning about the HANA DB here. So they have to go for like again they have to go for the first course is HC100. Okay, so it is going to for the HANA. So introduction, like you can say HANA onto the cloud environment, and coming to the after that, I want to become a HANA Cloud Administration. So here you can go to HC. Whatever the topic in HC100, same topic like architecture, tools like HANA Cockpit, BTP Cockpit, the user and authorization, sorry, privatization, role administration, security and compliance, performance, backup recovery, storage extension, high availability, scaling, data processing, and even multi-environment deployment. Like in BTP, you have different kind of deployment, Cloud Foundry, Kuma. So you have different kind of things. So this all comes under for this particular one. And this is comes under from HA Advanced Cloud Administration. It is going to for XSA point of view. Again, I forgot to mention previously one topic that is the XSA administration. Is that yes, that is also separate topic is available in your HANA DB itself. Right, yeah. Okay, so these are the so Sri after completion of this, okay, after completion of this, so I want to do for certification. Again, previously you discussing you have certification for the HANA DB on premises. Similarly here, whenever I want to do for the certification for this, I don't know currently maybe it's expired. Okay, but It's there, certification is there. Okay, that is going to further C underscore HC HANA Cloud Admin 05. Previously 01, 02 was there. And this is going to further certification code for the HANA Cloud. Again, is associate certification only. So again, what are the syllabus? Again, the syllabus is the HC100, HC200, and 300 is not there. So HC100 is only for 10% weightage. Okay, remaining 90% of the weightage comes under from HC200. Okay. So as I mentioned, what are the topics will be comes under from this particular HC100? Backup, recovery, starting and stopping operations. Okay. And even if you want to do further user creation, security compliance, okay, scaling, storage extension, high availability. So these all topics are comes under for the. Okay. Shri, you mentioned the BTP also including. Yes, why? Because of here. So Shri, I want to practicing for the. So yeah, I want to practicing for the HANA and the cloud is nothing but yes, you have trial access is there. So for this point of view, simply can go to the BTP cockpit. So in BTP cockpit, I think 80 plus services are there. So there you can go to the services. You can go to the. So here you have the BTP services. Currently, how many services are providing? 80. Don't go for all 84. Now I want to go into further administration point of view. So here you have the one of this service HANA to cloud. See here is the free test. We click on this. By default, 90 days account is there. So here, what is the meaning of SAP HANA Cloud? Okay. If you want to learning, no need to click with any kind of lab. You have just like your Gmail ID and you can log in and you do whatever you want. Okay. And here data log and here how the data will be stored in relation like relation point of view, file point of view, and by even how you will be connecting to your front end like your business applications. Okay, so they're providing each and everything even. So even what are the things you can do it. Okay, and here BTP pricing is different. Okay, that I'll discuss later. Now here these are the cloud partner, including SAP also having that. Okay, and again related missions. Okay, what are the AA things are offering? Okay, what are the roadmap? Each and every quarter what they done. Okay, and customers. So once you have to creating your BTP account, you can take the subscription. So this I'll discuss in later. Okay. So this is about your learning journey of your SAP Cloud Administration. Okay. Certification is very useful because currently most trending is the cloud. So if you have cloud related certification, so it has become good. Okay.